Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a common issue that many Bosch refrigerator owners run into, the ice maker not working. If your fridge has suddenly stopped making ice, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes you can try at home before calling a technician. Let's start with the simplest check. Make sure the ice maker is actually turned on. Bosch fridges usually have a small switch or button either right above the ice bucket or on the front of the dispenser. It's easy to bump that switch by accident when removing the ice bin, so take a second to confirm that it's switched on. If it's off, turning it back on may solve the issue instantly. Next, take a look at the water supply. Your fridge can't make ice if it isn't receiving water. Make sure the water valve connected to the refrigerator is fully turned on and check that the water line is firmly attached with no kinks, bends, or leaks. Sometimes a line can shift and partially restrict water flow without you noticing. Once the water supply looks good, move to the water filter. Bosch refrigerators rely heavily on a cleaned, properly installed filter. If the filter is clogged or overdue for replacement, the fridge may stop producing ice altogether. Remove the filter, make sure it's seated correctly, or replace it if it's been more than 6 months. Always follow the instructions specific to your model to avoid installation issues. Now let's talk temperature. For the ice maker to function, your freezer must be cold enough to freeze the ice tray. The temperature needs to be below 10 degrees Fahrenheit and ideally somewhere between 0 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. If your freezer is too warm, adjust the settings and give the fridge a few hours to stabilize. A simple temperature tweak can make a huge difference. If you're still not getting ice, check for any ice buildup inside the ice maker or water line. Sometimes frost blocks the mechanism and prevents new ice from forming. You can use a warm cloth or even a hair dryer on low heat to gently melt the blockage. Be careful not to overheat any plastic parts. Just a bit of warm air is enough to loosen frozen spots. If none of these fixes solve the problem, you might be dealing with a faulty component. Issues with the ice maker module, water inlet valve, or control board can stop the entire system from working. These parts usually require professional diagnosis and replacement, so at that point, it's best to call a qualified technician. And that's a full walkthrough of the most common solutions for a Bosch refrigerator ice maker that's not working. Try these steps one by one, and hopefully you'll have the ice flowing again in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Bosch using!